Good morning, it's 6:15. Everybody's up and we're going to go upstairs and start the day. Fox says hi. Hi. Thought I'd just come and talk to you whilst I did my makeup. Oh, what time is it? 7:16. The kids are all dressed, lunch is made, and book bags are ready. The plan for today is to finish my to-do list that I didn't finish yesterday, but that's only registering as a business. That's the only thing I've got to do off my to-do list. I don't have to make a new one for today. Got my appointment with the doctors for the follow-up from my scan. My car's going in tomorrow, so I'm going to clear that out today. Excuse me. I'm having to stand on something so that I can actually see in the viewfinder, because if I'm not standing on something, I'm like down here. My home shelf is just that little tiny bit too tall for me. Yeah, Mika's staying at her friend's after school tonight, which she's very excited about. And then they'll bring her back after dinner. It's really annoying though, because like it used to be where like if they take her home from school, I'd like go and get her. But obviously they're not going to bring her back now till 5:30, 6, and Fox is in bed. So it's like, and it's not like I can leave him to do it. So I feel like I'm just a pain in the ass for everybody, because I'm basically trapped at home from 5:30, because that is when he starts to wind down and wants to go to bed. So yeah, I feel a little bit of a burden upon people, which is not nice. It's not a nice feeling at all, but I think I'm just gonna have to get used to it. All my makeup is running out. Like my favourite my only foundation I use, I've hit pan. Has anybody used the Fenty powder foundation? Because that is what I want to try next, because you know what I'm like with Fenty. My butter bronzer, I've hit pan. But yeah, I don't know what shade to get for the Fenty. I know it's easier, like, because I only do like very, very light foundation anyway, so I can be more, I don't have to be like spot on with it, because I am only doing like a really light base. I don't want to feel like I've got a lot on my face. But yeah, if anyone has used it and has any tips on what the shade range is like, I would very much appreciate it. I only realised it was out a few days ago, and I was very excited to see it. I literally do the same thing every day, basically, just a mixture of the same kind of colours every day, because they make me happy, and they're the ones that look like baby shit, like literal baby shit, but I love it. Yeah, so what is everyone's plans for the week? Did anyone make any New Year's goals or resolutions or affirmations? I would love to know. I've listed some more stuff on my Etsy shop. I've started, I've been wanting to do it for a while, but I've got some like body jewellery, some funky body jewellery, like all surgical steel, proper stuff. I've got some of that on my Etsy shop, so I'll link that if anyone wants to have a look, and that's all got free shipping. What next? Maybe you? The more the colour looks like baby poo, the more I'm drawn to it. I'm not sure how I feel about that one, but I'm going to have to do it on the other eye now, because I've committed. I have committed. Let's swap palettes. Oh shit. Really need to sort my stuff out in here, because It's just a mess. Go back into a different baby poo one. The lighting in here is horrific as well. So I could be doing the most horrendous things to my eyes and not even know. Yeah. So if the Fenty one, I don't know, I can actually check to see how much the Fenty one is, but I'm very, very skint at the minute. But if anyone has another recommendation for a powder foundation that isn't expensive, because my Laura Geller one, that's like 26 quid. And I don't need it yet because I've still got my Laura Geller one left, but I want to go sort of prep and decide what shades and stuff I need for whatever one I'm going to have. Are we going to be able to do eyeliner on camera? We'll see. So hit and miss. Some days it just goes amazing, and then other days it looks like someone has just shit on my face. What is today? Oh, she's a big one. She's not too bad. I'm gonna have to do it in this mirror. I'll be back in a minute. I can't get closer, I need to be in this mirror. They don't match remotely, but I really just can't be asked. I don't care enough. So there is something on my eyes. I got this little MAC freebie the other day, and I'm so annoyed because I don't buy MAC because it's not cruelty free, but I got it and I didn't want to waste it. Oh, and it's such a nice mascara. So good. I absolutely love it. It's like the fibre one. And I don't normally like fibre ones, but it is so nice. I can't remember where I got this from a freebie, but I love it. I feel like I'm like really out of the loop with makeup at the moment, so if you would be so kind, just sort of let me know your favourite current makeup products, because this is the newest thing I've got. It's the Magic Extension, and obviously I can't buy a full size one because it's not cruelty free, but like it is so good. Like, look, it's so nice. So annoying. Stupid MAC not being cruelty free. Such a nice mascara. I've just realised I forgot to set my face because I'm a twat. But yeah, any like current favourites I would very much appreciate. Just dropping them down below, and it's just sharing our favourite things. I'll list everything I've used down in the description. Not that anybody cares anymore. Oh, eyebrows. I say eyebrows, I'm not actually doing anything to them, I'm just putting gel in them because they are microbladed. Yeah, that is me done for the day. I think that total was like 9 minutes, so I've got it down quite quickly now. It probably looks shit, but this is what we are working with as a 39-year-old who has 3 children downstairs, potentially causing chaos. So I'm gonna go see what they're doing and I'll talk to you in a bit. We are ready to go. It's 7:50. We're gonna leave in about 10 minutes. I feel like there was something I wanted to show you and I can't think what it was. I've got my planner on the go. With all my days for the year, just writing what I'm doing and what I need to do. Like today, like my little bit of a to-do list, doctor's appointment, me to get our mates, Car's going in. I'm not sure if Ben's coming tomorrow. But yeah. Oh, kicking my slippers. Aria and Fox have just said they want chicken nuggets for tea tonight, which I really don't want them to have. So I'm going to try and convince them to have something else. Because Mika's out. She's like she eats the most variety, so she's the one that I'm like, you want to try this? And then she'll try it, and then the others will try it. But when she's not here, they are both a little bit stuck in their ways of what they want to eat. Yeah. I'll probably talk to you after my doctor's appointment. It is so cold in my house. I don't want to put the heating on because it's just me here, and I feel like I don't want to waste the heating, like waste money heating myself. So I'm literally like scarf, t-shirt, jumper, cardigan, and now I'm going to sit and cuddle the cats. And I thought, you know what? I haven't had a day where I just do nothing for the longest time. So I'm going to sit and I'm going to watch Knives Out or Glass Onion. I'm not sure which one I need to watch first. But that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit on the sofa, cuddle the cats, get snugly under a blanket, and just do nothing. Because I never, ever just do nothing. So that is what's happening. I might even light a little fire. That's what I might do now. Hey, it's 10 to 1 and I've just been sat on the sofa and I just watched Knives Out. It's so good. It's so good. I know I'm like super late to the party, but I loved it. Now heating up some soup. DPD just came with a parcel. I ordered this a few days ago. It's from Sugar and Sloth. I followed them on Instagram for ages, but they were doing like a £10 lucky dip day or a mystery box day. And I bought myself one as a little prezzy, and so I thought we could have a look. I thought we could have a little look and see what I got. I think it's a mug and a pin is what you get, but I don't know what one, and it's sweary. I know that. So we've got a little celebrate the small things, a little sticker. Oh, cute! And there's another little box in the box, and it just says Sugar and Sloth gift set. And we've got a little, I think this is the badge. Good vibes and all that shit. He's cute. I love him. And then the mug. I didn't punch anyone today. I love it. That's so cute. So they were £10 for the two. Oh, I love them. I'm really happy. It's just like a little present to myself. What is happening? I can hear a cat doing something that they shouldn't be doing, I think. Oh, it's just you. What are you doing? Oh, it's because it's nearly lunchtime. So Gary's over there just like being feral because he wants me to feed him. Oh, sitting on the sofa doing nothing. Oh, it just made me tired. My soup looks so good. It's my cabbage roll in a bowl soup. Yesterday, I put a little bit of nutritional yeast in it whilst I was eating it, and oh my god, it was so good. Can I interest you in some dinner, Gary? You hungry, boy? You hungry, boy? Oh, just a guy. Just a guy. Nope, he's gone. Right, I'm gonna go and feed them and eat my lunch. Oh, calm down. 2:20. I had my lunch, it was yummy. I had my cabbage roll soup, and I just had my phone call with the nurse. And it's not gallstones, but she said I have the start of fatty liver disease. She said it's nothing scary, and the fact that I am losing weight intentionally is a very, very good thing. So she said the liver can repair itself. So as long as I know now like what food triggers me, and just to try and get down to a healthy weight, then she said it'll be fine. I can have a blood test in a year just to monitor it, but she said it's nothing to worry about, and just to carry on doing what I'm doing basically. So I'm not having like from previous experience, it's oil that does it. So like anything like roast potatoes in oil, like crispy duck, basically anything from the Chinese takeaway, which makes me very sad. But that is, looking back on the pattern of vomiting and the pain, it was always after a takeaway. So yeah, Chinese takeaway is out, which I'm devastated about, but I'm going to learn to make my own like, healthier versions at home. I used to be fine with roast potatoes, but that started to make me sick as well. I had my paratha the other day, and I did feel a bit sick after that because of the oil, so that's going to be a no-no. I'll have to find a different flatbread I can make, or just dry fry them instead. Won't be the same, but needs must. She was really, really nice, really positive, just said don't worry about anything, just carry what I'm doing. So that is the plan. But I'm going to go and get the kids in a minute, so I will talk to you in a little while. Look at this. So I had to ring the bank for something the other day, and you can see there, I got chatting to the bloke on the phone, and he sort of said, oh, I can see you had a hard time recently, and he said we're going to send you some flowers. And I wasn't actually expecting him to send me some flowers. I think it's flowers. Put it down, be careful. Oh my goodness.
Oh my plug.
Oh my pludge. Fox, don't touch.
What is it?
Right. Let me see, look. Oh my goodness, how do we open this? Yeah, wait a sec, Harry, that's plant food. Fox, don't touch because it's flowers. You mustn't break it.
Fox,
don't touch.
I don't touch.
You were touching.
Oh
my goodness.
What a day. Fox, don't touch.
Flowers. Oh my goodness, there's a vase with it, I think. Harry, hold them. That's just rubbish.
I put it in the bin.
Wait a minute, baby. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What? Oh my god, let me just get them out. So look, this is the flowers. Aren't they lovely? And the bloke wrote a note. Hi Lucy, don't worry about the past. We can't change what's happened, but we can change our future. I hope you stay smiling and you find the right one. You got this, from Zahib. How bloody lovely is that? This is heavy. Oh my gosh. Ari, get the box.
Okay.
What the hell is this?
We can make a crocodile. Mama.
Yeah?
The pizza. Oh.
Let me try and open this. It's chocolate, Ari. Oh my goodness.
Let's got a red balloon.
Look at that. Oh goodness me. Should we have a look? Oh wow, Ari, look. Oh my goodness. Never in my life have I ever received a chocolate box like this. They look amazing. I'm just trying to work out one I can give the kids to eat. Foxy, I think you can have this one. This is just a chocolate one. Bite it, little bites.
But I want the
What?
Arthur.
What are you saying, bub?
Yeah.
It's bedtime now. I'm going to get him to go to bed. And I will see you tomorrow.